pulling all my walls down.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have an interesting vlog today. I have always been doing all types of hauls, so today I'm going to do my kitchen garden haul for you. I just want to show you what I harvested from my kitchen garden today evening. So if you're new, consider to subscribe, and if you're returning, drum rolls for you. She also says drum rolls for you. So let's get to the video. My intro partner. You saying hi? All right.
Calling out your name.
So one of the items that I got from my kitchen garden, they are not seeing you, are these capsicums. So I was saying I got these capsicums. Sorry for the noise. Nyamaza kidogo, mtu hawezi fanya video huku kwangu. You want to show them? Show them capsicum. This is capsicum we got from the shamba here. Mama, you're going to. So we got capsicum. See, you know how we got this from our garden, right? All right. So what else did we get? Purples. Bring the purples. They see the purples.
Something that's sweet.
Yeah, we got purples. Show them. So we got these purples here. Purples. We have several others. We have many others. These purples we got from our kitchen garden in the backyard. Show them. Come and show them. Show them. Here. Show them. Show them. Like that. Put them slowly here. So bring the tomatoes. Yeah, this one. So we also got this harvest today of tomatoes. Let me stop whistling. We got stop whistling. Oh my God. We got tomatoes. Yeah, sometimes they're small, sometimes they're big, sometimes they're medium. You have a question for the viewers? This one is another one I bought the other day because we didn't have ripe ones of these. Yeah, supermarket.
Now which one looks
This
better?
is for ours.
Ours are for the supermarket.
Ours is better. So here, our tomatoes, they're comparing our tomatoes with the supermarket ones. But I love my organic ones. These are tomatoes. And then, what else do we have?
Onion. We have onion.
We have mchicha.
Onion.
Toka kwa kiti ya mtoto. Sorry guys. Sorry. Kiti yako ipige upendo kiti yako. So,
Stem onions.
we have this. Oh yeah, because we have already shred them. These are onions, stem onions. Yeah, we got this from the kitchen garden. Don't bring the rest. They are seeing already. These ones, right?
Stem onion and my leaf onion.
Then leaf onion, whatever. Then we have this. What is this, boys? Yeah. Pigweed, mchicha. This is very fresh from the kitchen garden. Stop showing people very closely, they can't see. That's whole paper. Bring the paper that is there. Pick some two papers. The other one there, not this one. The other one.
Let's pick. Let's see. This one.
Show them. We have this type of paper. This big one and this
We
one.
found them from the sponge.
Stop, Mama. My house is full of noise, guys. I'm sorry. We have this. So we have this. Okay. Now, what else do we have?
We have this type.
We have the thin type. Stop it! Hey, God, I have to stop the video, guys.
And also here, I can translate for you this in French. Ligne courbée. This is called a ligne courbée.
Ligne courbée.
Yes, I learned one in French.
Okay.
One in French.
Okay, that's all for our video. Do we have anything else that I got from the kitchen garden? We have skuma.
Wait
is
first.
in the
That's
fridge.
ginger. Hey,
Ginger we didn't get from our kitchen garden. Look at the quality of my tomatoes from my garden, guys. What do you have to tell viewers? This is not from the kitchen garden. What do you have to tell viewers? Come and tell viewers what do you do in the kitchen garden to help your crops grow better?
It's plant once in a week.
You do what?
Transplant.
Stop putting your plant in there. You transplant. What else do you do?
You have to
Water them.
You?
Water
There's
them.
no one to video.
We cut off extra branches.
Yes. What else?
We remove any vegetables which don't have leaves, but they are wasting the nutrients. We take them out. That's all.
So you cut away the ones that are not bearing good fruit, right? You can do it here. Just come and speak to people in French if you want to speak to people in French. Speak to them in French.
Say
Hi.
a point.
Hi.
Yeah, for
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you French.
Now speak loudly.
Yes.
today he's going to teach you French.
Say hi, people. Hi. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Do like this. Say hi, everybody. Good, good.
Fast.
Okay.
That's on the alphabet.
Mhm.
Do
Alphabet.
you know a lemon in French?
I don't know.
No, alphabet.
No,
Start from alphabet.
fruit.
Me, I don't know.
Okay, so if you don't know a lemon in French, it's named courbet.
Okay.
Tomato.
A tomato in French is tomate.
Tomato. What else in
An
French?
orange in French is orange.
What else?
Mushroom in French is champignon.
Champignon.
Yes.
Okay. What else? Your mother in French.
Let's ask questions.
Ask.
Tell me to ask.
Ask.
We're asking questions.
Hey,
French
please.
questions.
What is lemon in French?
Lim Courbet.
Orange.
Orange.
Kills.
Huh?
Kills.
You do know yourself.
Even me, I don't know. Okay, now boys, can we take utensils so that we can eat?
Okay. Okay, and also there is one I forgot. That is shoe. Shoe frise.
Shoe freezer.
Shoe frise is
Wait,
kills.
What happened here?
The pimple.
Oh, okay. Shoe frise.
Kills.
Kills.
Oh.
So kills in French is shoe frise.
All right.
And cabbage in French is shoe.
Cabbage is shoe.
Yeah, shoe.
The other day we harvested cabbage. Have you told them? We harvested cabbage and you ate on Friday. You remember I cooked for you cabbage? The rest remained in the fridge. Yeah, that's another thing we forgot in the haul. Yeah, we harvested cabbage. That one was a premature harvest because it had been eaten. Ambuzi just went into our garden and smacked our cabbage, and we had to remove it before it spoils, right? So can we take utensils to the table? Show me how you help your parents. Take the spoons, take the plates, take the food. Who opened the food? God. There. Look. So, well guys, we now want to eat. We now want to eat and sleep. We will see you in the next video. Come and tell people you see them. Bring those. Bring those that you've got already.
Bye, see you in the next video.
Tell them I will see you in the next vlog.
I will see you in the next vlog.
They can't see you. You'll teach them French in the next vlog. See you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch up in our next one. Take the table. The next episode of Home and Farm with Doughty. If you're new, kindly, hey, Ebu, subscribe by the way. Subscribe, please. Subscribe, please. Thank you for staying tuned. I hope to see you in the next one. It's a wrap.
And by the way, in our school, we get taught to how to talk in French.
Okay. So you would like to...
And a teacher in French is called professeur.
Professor? Oh, okay. Professor Dorothy.
E.
Professor Dorothy. Professor. No, that thing is making noise. Why stop? So the boys have turned my house into a soccer. Stop doing that. I don't like it. Which is your best subject? Come and tell people.
My best subject is art and craft.
Oh, okay. And you, Anna?
Art and craft.
And
English.
Even I like English.
English.
I like English.
Okay.
And
Music.
And hygiene also.
And hygiene.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I am going to use this squeezer. It is a manual squeezer. I use this to squeeze juice out of my oranges. I'll just cut it. Is it transversely or longitudinally? But I think it's transversely. And then I will squeeze the juice out. I'll also mix this with one lemon. Yeah, if I had some mint, I will drop in, but today I don't have. But I'll just do this for my body.
Say what you